Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can search, filter and apply for the jobs in VELOTIO company. Let's jump into the video. Friends, as soon as you open Google Chrome, just search for something called VELOTIO VELOTIO company name. Once you have opened it, just click on careers. Once you click on careers, it will push us to the company's website. Then just these are all the perks and benefits you can read if you have a moment. And then you can click on see open positions. So once you click on see open positions, we'll get to know the current openings in this company. Click show more. And this company is only in India as of now, in Pune, so we don't need to filter based upon the location, but we can filter based upon the department here. So let's say I'm interested in clouds and DevOps. So these are the cloud and DevOps related role, and all the jobs are mostly full-time here. And let's say if I want to apply for a job, I'm gonna open it like this, and here is the information that I will get. What are the skills that they are looking for, what are the technologies that we need to use, so what are the requirements, everything in one page. So let's say if you are a good fit for this role, you can click on apply for this job, and then you can enter your details, and you need to upload your resume, and you need to click on submit application. So let's say if you are a good fit for this job, they will reach you. VELOTIO team will reach you and they will guide you the further steps. So let's say if you want to filter a job based upon the remote, you can just enable this, and all these jobs are remote friendly jobs. That means you can work from anywhere. And yeah, that's it friends, that's it for this video. In my upcoming video I will be sharing more relevant information. Until then, keep watching my videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day.